Hello guys, you're all welcome to the sewing tutorial of Gypsy Maxi dress. So these are my pattern pieces. Here's the front and this is the back, and these are the three tiers. So the first thing I'll do is to join the front. Here's the front. Please take note of the center front, the upper and the lower part so that you don't get confused. Okay, so this one, okay, so these are my pattern pieces. Okay, this is the center front piece. Okay, this the lace is already on the fabric I'm using for the base for the lace, and this is the lining. I made a notch to indicate the upper part, so there won't be any confusion. So this is it. And for this part, I'll be attaching this part to this one. This one, okay, the lining. So this one is coming here like this, coming on this one like this. Remember we did that manipulation, so I'm going to by the time I sew it, it's going to have that cup effect. Okay, so this is for the front. Let me pin it to both sides. I left some half-inch seam allowance. That's what I'll be using to sew on the both sides. So this other part. This is how beautiful it's already looking. Then for the lining piece, I'm just going to repeat what I did for the fabric itself. There's a lining. I'll just attach the lining to the fabric the same way. Just the same thing. Okay, this is for the lining. Okay, so let's keep this. And then for the back, remember there is a dot. There is a dot. So I already notched my dot. I'm going to be sewing my dot. I'll just put my thing inside to get the points. So I'll mark my dots for my fabric and for the lining. Okay, so this is the dot length of this one. I'll do for all the four pieces. First, how to easily mark your dots. This is the only thing I'll be doing for the back. I'll just sew all my dots. Okay, and then for this part, I'm going to be gathering. I'm going to draw gathers on the upper parts for this one. The part where I'll be joining to the waist. For this, I'm also going to draw gathers on the upper part only. The part I'll be joining to this one. Now the gathers I'll be drawing for this one will be exactly the same length with this. I think it's 64 inches we had here. So I'm going to ensure that my gathers is exactly 64 inches. So it will fit into this one. There won't be any gathers at the down part of this one. And I'll also do the same thing for this big one. I'm only going to be drawing gathers on the upper part. And the measurement is going to be exactly the same thing with this fabric, with this one, the down parts of this one. That's all I'll be doing for the chair pieces. And then for my sleeve, now for my sleeve, I'm going to gather the end line for the fabric and then for the lining separately. Then I'll join them and then do an under stitch. And I'm also going to draw gathers on the top part of the sleeve. That's basically all I'll be doing for the sleeve. This is how far we are. This is the sleeve. I'll draw gathers for the upper part and the lower parts of the sleeve. I did that for the fabric and the lining. Okay. For the back, the only thing I said I was going to do was to sew the darts, and I've done that. I've sewn my darts. I did that for the two fabrics for the back part. And then for the front, this is it. This is what the front looks like right now. Can you see? The design is looking very beautiful. So I've sewn this. This is the inside of the front. I have to notch this part to make it right. Notch this to get it well back. And I did the same thing for the fabric. Can you see that? Hmm? The next thing I'll be doing is I'm going to join my fabric pieces and my lining pieces. Then the sides and okay, I'll join them on the sides same only. I left allowance of 1 inch. So I'm going to use that 1 inch to join on the side seam front. Hmm? Okay. So I'll do this for the fabric and also for the lining. I'm going to do the same thing for the lining. And then for this part, you can see I'm going ahead to draw my gathers, looking so tight and beautiful. This one is going to be attached to the upper part. So I decided I have gathers from this part, from this upper part only. Take note on the other upper parts of this one too. So I just pin them down to make it easier for me. What I'm going to be doing next is to sew. I'm going to sew from the inside, 1/2 inch seam allowance, join all of them, then fold the M line. I'll be folding the M line with I think 1.5 inch first, then 1 inch for the M line. Okay, that's basically all I'll be doing for now. So guys, this is how far I've gone. This is my sleeve. I have attached the lining to the main fabric and I did my under stitch. It's gathered as you can see. So the next thing I'll be doing on the sleeve is to just match these two sides, the side, the underarm of the sleeve, just match them and sew based on the same allowance you left. Sew this way and this way. I'll do that for the two sleeves. Then for this the tear part, I have succeeded in joining all the tiers. I've joined them together on the three levels. And I have also hemmed the down parts. My hem line is done. So that's that about this. And for this one, I have joined all the side seams. As you can see, the side seams are done for the fabric and for the lining. This is it. Okay. So the next thing I'll be doing is to join my fabric and my lining along the neckline for the front. I'll join along the neckline 1/2 inch. Then I'll notch. After notching, I'll do my under stitch to keep it in place. Then I'll do the same thing for the back neckline. I'll do the same thing for the back neckline. This is the back. Just I'll join it 1/2 inch. notch, and then do my own stitching. Okay, so after doing all of that, I will attach my bodice to the skirt part. This on this. I'll be attaching my bodice to the skirt part. Guys, this is how far we've gone. I've work finished with the sleeve. This is how the M line of the sleeve looks like. So I'm just going to give it a very good press. Then for the body, for the dress itself, see the inside. Can you see how neat it is? Can you see how? Okay, let me turn it. So this is the inside. I decided to add the short lining just to finish it off. Okay, so this is the inside. I'm just going to give it a very good press right now. I have joined everything. You can see I've joined everything. Um, because it's a puff sleeve, it has an extended cap. I'm going to shorten my shoulder length. My shoulder seam here, I'm going to shorten it by 1 inch to accommodate the puffiness so that it's standing, it's not sagging below my shoulder. So I'm going to remove 1 inch from the shoulder seam. Okay, so that's all I'll be doing. Then I'll give it a good press, iron it out very well, then fix my zipper mhm, along the center back. So like I said, I'm going to remove 1 inch from the shoulder seam just to uh, give it that puffy look. So the puff effect will be very obvious. Okay, that's what I just did now on the fabric and the lining. I'll do that for the both sleeves. So I'll do this for the two armholes. So guys, this is the final result of the dress we've been making. It came out so beautiful. I love the final look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is the back view of the dress. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I really appreciate you all. Bye.